How to apply TD Bank credit card online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. In the source bar, search for TD Bank credit card. Head over to the very first site, Explore TD Bank credit card. It will land you on the official site of TD Bank of credit card. Once you're in this page, now you have to scroll down and different types of credit card will be visible to you. If you want to apply in any one of it, simply click on Apply Now. And then wait for a while for it to load. Right now you can see it says, "We will be back soon," which means that they are under the maintenance. But for you, if the maintenance has been completed, it will land you on the page where you'll be able to apply for a credit card. Simply enter your detailed information of your card. Also, to make sure to log into your specific TD Bank account. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Confirm. And then after a while, your TD Bank credit card will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.